All right, you guys. This is Mrs. O with Kingdom Barbecue Catering Service and Kingdom Sweets Online. I was looking at some of my past videos and oh my God, do I sound dead. So I'm going to try to spice it up for you guys today. I'm going to make a rib stew. Yes, I said a rib stew. For Memorial Day, I smoked slabs of ribs, and the ones that I had left over, I ziplocked them and put them in the freezer. So today I thought I would do a rib stew. Okay, let's get rocking. Okay, in my Dutch oven here, I have a 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes that has basil, garlic, and oregano in it. And I have 1.5 cups. No, this is not beef broth. This is the juice that came from the ribs. You know, once you smoke them, you cover them in foil. And then I took the juice off of them and I just froze it. So I'm going to pour this into the 14.5 ounce can of tomatoes. Now, of course, you can use beef broth, but I really want to get the smokiness of the meat, which is smoked nicely, but I also wanted to add the juice. Okay, until this, I'm going to add petite gold potatoes and some carrots. So you can decide how much potatoes you want in it and also how much carrots you want in it. Okay, so I'm going to add that to this mixture here. I want a beef hearty stew. I mean, I know it's summer. We've been eating sandwiches and salads, and it's been 108 degrees here in Texas. But okay, I want some hearty food. Okay, so I've put the petite gold potatoes in and the carrots. Now I'm going to put the ribs in. Mind you, they're already done, but I want them to cook with the potato and carrots so I can just infuse the flavor. And also, I'm not going to add any salt or seasoning to this because I used a rub on the ribs, and you don't want this too salty. And yes, I could have cut the meat off of the rib, but I want people to know that this is a rib stew. So I'm just going to put the ribs in here. You see that smoke? Wow, they were really good for Memorial Day too. Okay, so let's just place them in here. And I have quite a few. I like a meaty stew. Okay, let me get the rest of them. And you guys, please, when you subscribe, please hit the notification button so it will let you know when I post new videos. Okay, and this is a really meaty one right here. So I'll just put that in the middle. Now, mind you, they're probably going to fall off the bone, and that's okay. But I want to actually stick the whole bone in. Okay, now let me stir this around. You see that? Wow. Okay, so we're just going to put the ribs inside of this tomato and rib juice. See, one of them have already, I'm sorry you guys, already fell off. You see? It's already fallen off the bone, but that's okay. So I'm going to cook this on the stove for about 15 to 20 minutes because the only things I'm trying to get done is the potato and carrots. The meat is already done. I will say that I'm going to add some black pepper. And all these bowls clacking, boy, I tell you, I need to be more organized. And my daughter, again, had something to do, so I'm winging it by myself, so I'm getting pretty good at it. Okay, again, I'm going to put this on the stove for about 20 minutes. And while this is cooking, I'm going to make a pan of cornbread. Oh, my God, I love stewing cornbread. So I'll come back and show you guys the finished product. Stay connected. Okay, you guys, I think I rocked this out. I always say when something is good, and it tastes good, I say talk to me. Talk to me, baby. This is the rib stew with the potatoes and the rib juice, smoky ribs. It is off the freaking chain. Also, you guys, I did add 2 bay leaves, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of onion powder to kick that flavor up. But this is the finished product. You guys have to try this. You're going to enjoy it. Again, it's off the freaking chain. Okay, I'm going to try to dip some up. And yes, I made cornbread and some grape Kool-Aid. Oh yeah, I'm a country sister, okay? All right, I'm finna dip some up in this bowl. Trying to do this with one hand. Wow, you see that rib meat? Oh, it's smoking up my... See that rib meat? Oh, and I did add a little corn. I like that sweet hint of corn in my stew. So let me just put this in the bowl. Then get some of that smoky juice. See that? I'm not going to get a big bowl because I'm trying to watch my portion size. You know, I'm working on it. Okay, let me show you my bowl, you guys. This is the rib beef stew with a piece of cornbread. Well, I'm finna enjoy this. Hope you guys have a great week. Thanks to all my new subscribers. And please remember to hit the button, the notification button, so you will know when I'm posting new videos. Until next time, God love you and peace out. Thank you.